I want to challenge Mr. President. Mr. President, you're a leader, and we believe as leaders, you must come out and tell Nigerians who are those committing this offense. You said the governors are taking local government funds. I want to say, in the name of Almighty God, I've never touched local government fund one day. I have never, and I have no reason to do that. So, Mr. President, tell us who are those people. You know them, tell us. It is not good to say what we call class defamation. You say governors. Please, I'm not one of those governors. I'm not. So, Mr. President, please spare me. Tell Nigerians that the integrity governors are not part of them. We have integrity. We are not part of them. And do us a favor to announce all those states that are taking local government money. I have never, since 2015 till now, and I have no reason, and I will not have any reason to do it. Because when I was chairman of local government under Dr. Peter Odili, he never touched 1 naira of local government fund. And I see no reason. When I was chairman, nobody touched my fund. Why will I now begin to touch other people's fund? So, Mr. President, I beg you, in the name of God, help us, remove us, the integrity governors. We are men of honor. We will not touch, but announce those who are touching because you have the record. Yes. Let us not be generalizing things. It's not good for this country. And that's why Nigeria is not growing. If somebody has done bad, say somebody has done bad. Don't say people are doing bad. Who are those who are doing that bad? Mention their names. Mention. So, I stand there. Channel is watching. AIT, you are here. TVC, you are here. NTA, you are here. So, Mr. President, I don't know which of the channels you are watching now. You may be watching AIT. You may be watching channels. You may be watching TVC or NTA. I, Nyesom Ezenwo Wike, Commander of the Order of the Niger, Grand Service Star of River State, Life Venture, I have never and I will not touch any local government money. I don't even know what they get a month. I don't give a damn. I don't. And I have never one day called any local government to partner with state to do any project. Ordinarily. Some of these projects were due out of local government projects. I have not. Let one local government council chairman raise his hand and say, sir, our money came yesterday. You tampered with our money. I've never. So, thank you, Mr. President. I know you're a leader. And I know you will do what is right by mentioning. It doesn't matter the party they belong to. Well, maybe. You know, there are those who believe that they are in power. They can do anything. We were not in power, so we are being careful. So I want to say clearly to anybody who wants to hear that I have not and I will not. And I urge all local governments, do the work you are sent. Do the work. That's why I don't like when local government chairmen come to praise me. I was chairman of local government, this particular local government, I was chairman. I don't know. During that period, there was nothing. I took everything as first in this state. Everything. I took first. Everything. When Dr. Peter Odili was governor, I was the one. They know. All of you from the other local government, don't be angry. That's how God has made it. Even the party secretary there who wanted to rig me out for me not to run second term. He's here, Kofi Annan. They tried to rig me out. And I told him, if you rig me, you rig yourself. And he said, look, my brother, I don't want to die now. Let the whole thing go freely. So, Baron Piggy was the chairman of Tiden before he now climbed to Senate. He wanted to run for governor. When he saw the danger, he said, my brother, let me hold the one way God gives me. Very intelligent young man, very intelligent politician. Some people are not intelligent. They'll just see things and they just jump in. And before you know, they'll see a train, and train will just jump them. So Parliamentary refused train to jam him. Otherwise, train jammed them. And that's why today, I don't know where they are. I don't know which hospital they are. I don't know where they are now.